During docking. Tank atmospheres. Objective: ensure the cargo tanks are maintained in a safe, gas-free condition throughout the dry docking process to prevent any risk of explosion or fire. Steps to maintain tank atmospheres. Gas monitoring. Continuous monitoring of tank atmospheres is critical. Fixed and portable gas detectors must be used to track the levels of hydrocarbons, oxygen, and inert gas. These detectors should be regularly calibrated to ensure accurate readings and prompt detection of any unsafe conditions. Purging and ventilation. The tank atmosphere is maintained by dehumidifiers and recirculation of atmosphere in tank. Tanks are opened only when planned work is scheduled in tanks and atmosphere is checked at multiple levels thoroughly. By diligently applying these measures, the cargo tanks can be maintained in a stable and safe condition, allowing maintenance tasks to be carried out without compromising safety. Precautions for void spaces, cofferdams, and duct keel. Objective: the void spaces, cofferdams, and duct keel is situated between the hull and the cargo tank containment systems. It is a confined and hazardous area that requires stringent safety measures to prevent accidents during dry docking operations. Steps involved: ventilation and gas testing. Ensure these spaces are adequately ventilated while the vessel is in the shipyard. Permit to work system. Access to these spaces should be restricted to authorized personnel who have been issued permits. Each permit should define the scope of work, identify potential hazards, and detail emergency procedures. All personnel entering these spaces must wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Contingency plans. A comprehensive contingency plan must be in place to address potential emergencies such as gas leaks, sudden oxygen deficiency, or equipment failure. The plan should include immediate evacuation procedures, access to rescue equipment, and communication protocols to ensure rapid response. During dry docking, evacuation should be directed toward the shipyard, and the crew must follow the shipyard's emergency procedures. Since the vessel's safety systems are often under maintenance, the crew will rely on the shipyard's safety equipment and resources. By adhering to these precautions, personnel can safely perform tasks within these spaces, while minimizing risks to their health and safety. Prior entering the shipyard, safety, security. Objective. Before entering the shipyard, all necessary safety and security measures must be implemented to ensure the vessel is prepared for dry docking. Steps involved. Safety checks. Perform thorough inspections of all safety-critical systems, including firefighting equipment, lifeboats, and emergency response systems, to verify that they are in full working order. Alarms and communication systems must also be tested to ensure reliable functionality during operations. Security measures. Implement robust security protocols to prevent unauthorized access to the vessel. As per the ISPS code, log all crew members and visitors entering the ship while at anchorage. At the shipyard, overall access control is managed by the yard. However, access to sensitive areas should be restricted, and identification checks must be enforced to maintain a secure working environment. Crew briefing. Conduct detailed safety and security briefings with all crew members. The briefing should include an overview of the shipyard's safety protocols, access control procedures, and emergency response measures. Ensure the crew understands their roles and responsibilities in maintaining a safe and secure environment throughout the dry docking period. By taking these preparatory steps, the vessel can enter the shipyard fully equipped to handle the challenges of dry docking, ensuring a safe and efficient operation from the outset.